Hello, entrepreneurs. It's Michael Mort with Argent Place Law, the law firm for entrepreneurs. This is the first of a series of posts, videos on trademark. And we're using as the backdrop this recent dust-up between Megan Rapinoe and her partner, who have a company named TogethXr, and they're claiming that Dwayne Johnson, representing revived XFL, are infringing Rapinoe's trademark. As reported by the New York Post back near the beginning of April, Megan Rapinoe is threatening to lay the smackdown on The Rock in court. Rapinoe says that the XFL's new logo violates her exclusive intellectual property rights. So this is very interesting because you can know people take their company's names and their logos very seriously because there's a lot of money to be had selling equipment, clothing, videos, all under the name of trademark rights. So what is trademark? Well, trademark is a form of intellectual property. It's actually property that you can buy, sell, will to your children. You can rent it out just like you do property, although it's called license. Trademark forms the basis of franchise as well. Now, this is a class of law that includes patents, which I'm sure you've heard of, copyright, and trade secrets. But we're going to focus on trademark, which protect not only businesses, which is what Rapinoe is complaining about, her business needs protection, but also trademark protects consumers. So the owners of trademark typically are businesses. They're using their name, their logo, sound like the inside Intel chime, or color like United Parcel Service, the UPS uses brown on their trucks, and that's a distinctive feature. These devices, name, logo, sounds, colors, and other things, this is what companies use to represent themselves to the public, and it also protects the public from imposters. You don't want to have a situation if you're a consumer where you're buying something or you're getting a service from someone and they misrepresent themselves by using a similar color or a similar logo or a similar name. So examples of trademarks are words like Corvette or Big Mac or or the names of the companies that make those products like General Motors and McDonald's and Apple, or the graphical symbols that people use to represent their companies like the GM logo or the golden arches or the bite out of the apple. One of the most famous trademarks on the entire planet is the shape of the Coca-Cola bottle. So the idea is that when a company uses the law to protect their trademark, they're actually helping consumers be protected against imposters. That's the source of this particular controversy between Rapinoe and her company and Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, and the XFL. So what is exactly at stake in this particular controversy? Megan Rapinoe's X on the left, she wants to stop the XFL from using the appearance of the X on the right. Now the question is, would consumers be confused? That's the measure of infringement. Now, by looking at these two pictures, you might make up your own mind about whether confusion is possible. But there are a lot of legal and technical details that have to be overcome before that decision can be made by any court. And there's a lot we can learn by reviewing trademark applications. So in this series of videos, what I want to do is help you with these concepts. How to search for existing trademarks so that you can see trademark applications by famous brands and learn what's important to look out for, because you know, entrepreneurs, you're going to be filing for trademarks yourself and you want to know what it is you're protecting and why your attorney does things the way he does. Trademark applications are completely public, but you have to know how to find them to proceed. So in our next video, we're going to talk about how you search for these kinds of trademark. What are some tricks to help you? And in the following videos, we're going to discuss these particular applications to see how they did this. What did their lawyers do? And what might be the hurdles that you have to overcome when applying for a trademark? Remember, we're Argent Place Law, the law firm for entrepreneurs, and our vision is that there be a successful entrepreneur in every household. We think entrepreneurs are going to save the world, and Argent Place Law supports you in doing so. Send us an email at SaveTheWorld@argentplacelaw.com. Tell us how you like these videos and ask what we can do for you. Thanks for listening.